Hi there, this is Allison with Let's Go Travel Tips, and I've got some really exciting news for you about some COVID testing going away on cruise ships. So first of all, I would like to welcome all of our Let's Go family members, and a big welcome to everyone who is new as well. If anyone hasn't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button and join us in our Let's Go family. I think you're going to love being a part of our group here. So first of all, I wanted to let you know, as you all know, Viking took away their onboard testing, well, their pre-embarkation testing and their onboard testing on all of their cruises in Europe. The only ship of theirs that is still having testing is the Octanus, and she is sailing in the Great Lakes in the United States. And so I think that's the only one. Oh, you know what? Maybe one going out of Canada. I forgot about that one. But those two ships, all of the rest are sailing in Europe, and there is no pre-embarkation testing required, as well as Viking used to test every day, and that is gone as well. And I would like to say they've been doing that for a couple of weeks, and we have not heard of any trouble. Then also the P&O's Iona started that a week or two ago as well, and we have not heard of any trouble with that. And now Holland America's Rotterdam has announced that on the sailings for July 10th, 17th, and 24th, they are not going to have pre-embarkation testing. I am so excited to hear this. So those cruises are going out of Amsterdam up to different ports in Norway. And so it's going to be really exciting to hear how things go with that change in protocols. And hopefully if they are successful, then we will see that spread to other ships in other countries, because it's really interesting to me. You know, you have both sides of the aisle. We've got Let's Go family members who think every person should be tested all the time. Clear to the side, there should be no testing. And so I think it's really interesting to see as these protocols develop, as COVID changes and becomes part of everyday life here. And so if any of you have any other updates, I would love to hear your experiences sailing right now. I know to board the Holland America Koningsdam, we of course did have to do testing to board the ship. If you aren't familiar with the fact that to fly into Canada or arrive across the land border, you don't have to be tested anymore, as well as you don't have to be tested to fly into the United States any longer. So it really, I think, helps people as they plan to travel a little bit more to know what's going on. So I would love to hear your experiences and how things are going for you on different cruise ships. I really look forward to hearing from you. So just put your questions and your comments down below, and I would really like to hear about that. So if you appreciate these updates, I know this is a quick one, would you please give this video a thumbs up? And I will be talking to you all again really soon. You all take really good care. God bless you. Love you. Bye-bye.